Hey hello gamers, today I will give you an incredible game link that you can play in your Xbox as well any stream box, 90 FPS, 140 FPS, 360 FPS and 4K 5K. With DLSS 4 might also a haptic arrangement with Xbox control. By Mix IT they have a huge gameplay option as you like your everyday companion. This are a full fulfillment installation process and easy to operate. With your existing console, you just go their website, link in description below, and installed with my given code, that you may get some extra discount. So though push performance Xbox, they use AMD Ryzen Z2 series processor, that have support AFMF, AMD Fluid Motion frames, for ultra smooth visual, ROG Xbox Ally X with high-capacity 80Wh battery while the Ally feature a highly efficient 60Wh design both built to go the distance. Xbox present a simplicity of power windows now when you power on your ROG Xbox Ally be dropped straight into the Xbox. Full screen experience a console-inspired UI optimized for joystick and button control. Installed and manage your likable app that you want to play and stream. Aspect Ally lets you easily discover, install and manage a wide range of apps from games and streaming. If you like this video please like, share and subscribe.